Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special for you. One of the best broken doll costumes on the market, the Spirit Halloween Kids The Signature Collection Broken Doll Costume. If you're looking to make a statement this Halloween with a costume that's both cute and a bit creepy, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. The Spirit Halloween Broken Doll Costume is a fantastic choice for kids who want to channel their inner creepy doll this Halloween. Available in a variety of sizes, this costume features a stylish black and white dress that captures the essence of a vintage doll. The dress is complemented by matching leggings and a cute hair bow, creating an overall look that's not only adorable but also a little unsettling, perfect for the Halloween spirit. One of the standout features of this costume is the cracked pattern on the sleeves, which adds an extra layer of detail that sets it apart from other costumes. It's designed for comfort with a zipper closure, making it easy for kids to get dressed and ready for a night of trick-or-treating. Made from 100% polyester, this costume is both durable and easy to clean. The care instructions are simple. Hand wash only, ensuring that the costume stays looking its best for many Halloweens to come. When choosing the right size, the manufacturer recommends opting for the larger size if you're between sizes. This ensures a better fit, allowing your child to move comfortably while trick-or-treating or attending Halloween parties. With a length of about 31 inches from shoulder to hem, this costume is suitable for a range of heights, making it a versatile option for many kids. It's important to note that while the costume includes the dress, leggings, and hair bow, makeup and boots are not included. However, this gives you the perfect opportunity to get creative with makeup that can enhance the broken doll effect. Consider using face paint to create a cracked porcelain look or adding some playful accessories that fit the theme. What makes the Spirit Halloween Broken Doll costume stand out is not just its design but also the fun it brings to Halloween. It allows kids to engage in imaginative play while embracing the spooky season. The unique blend of cuteness and eeriness makes it an ideal choice for Halloween festivities, school events, or themed parties. Whether your child wants to frighten their friends or simply enjoy a playful night of dressing up, this costume ticks all the boxes. So, if you're searching for a costume that's not just about looking good but also about having fun and creating lasting memories, the Spirit Halloween Kids The Signature Collection Broken Doll Costume is definitely worth considering. With its charming design, comfortable fit, and room for creativity with makeup and accessories, it's sure to be a hit this Halloween. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. For more product reviews and recommendations, have a spooktacular Halloween season.